Hello everyone, let's go to see the swimming pools together. The piping of this swimming pool, there are a lot of pipings. I'm frankly speaking, I really don't know about this system because it is a very modern design for these swimming pools. And this is my first time that I saw the swimming pools like this. A lot of piping. This swimming pool is not so big, but a lot of piping. If you know about this, please comment the link. I will check and I will study it. I just share this video and I don't know the processing of this work. Thank you.